Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to follow and unfollow a company in Indeed. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type indeed.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's simply look at how to follow and unfollow a company. Let's simply go to this company reviews tab right here to look at the multiple companies available. Once you're in the company reviews page, simply scroll down and right here you can see something like popular companies. Let's select anyone among them. Well, here's the company called Trader's Joe, and right next to it there is the follow button. Simply click on it. And there you go. You have successfully followed a company in Indeed. Scrolling down, you can see lots of particular information about this company. Well, this is it. Now let's just say we want to unfollow this. Let's scroll right back up. And right here next to it, you'll find something like following. Once again, simply click on it. And there you go. You have unfollowed this company. It's as easy as that. Well guys, that's it. That's how you follow and unfollow a company in Indeed. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.